Is it time to buy or sell Intuitive Machines stock? In this video, we will take a closer look at Intuitive Machines. Our initial report was published on our website on the 7th of March, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Intuitive Machines as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 48.32%. This equates to an average loss of 4.83% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 7.41% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.41% to 192.45%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 173.97%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 173.97% to 678.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $24.03 and $68.25. Our latest daily update for Intuitive Machines features the headline, "Volatile Ride for Intuitive Machines Incorporated Stock Price on Friday, moving between $7.12 and $9.55. The stock price of Intuitive Machines Incorporated decreased by 22.11% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, dropping from $11.26 to $8.77. During that day, the stock fluctuated 34.22%, with a low of $7.12 and a high of $9.55. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 51.48% during this period. Volume surged on the last day with an increase of 11 million shares, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly elevated risk over the next few days. In total, 52 million shares were exchanged for approximately $455,530,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.95, while the lowest was $3.15. Currently, the price stands 64.85% or $16.18 below the 52-week high and 93.55% or $127.23 below the all-time high reached on the 22nd of February, 2023, when the price hit $136. Intuitive Machines stock, trading under the symbol LUNR, is experiencing a significant downturn following the unsuccessful landing of its second lunar lander, Athena. After toppling over, the lander has been unable to recharge its batteries and has largely failed to meet its scientific and technology objectives for NASA and other customers. As of midday trading on the 7th of March, 2025, Intuitive Machines shares plummeted as much as 24% due to these setbacks. This marked a continuation of the company's challenges in lunar missions, reflecting issues experienced last year with its first lander. Analysts are observing this pronounced sell-off in the context of market confidence. Investors may be reacting to perceived operational failures, which could indicate longer-term troubles for the company. Immediate sentiment appears negative, but some analysts suggest the response is overly harsh, indicating potential for recovery as the company evaluates the mission's outcomes. In the short term, the stock's drop could lead to increased volatility as market participants reassess the company's capabilities. For the long term, investors will be watching closely to see how Intuitive Machines addresses these operational challenges and whether they can restore confidence through successful missions. The company's future in the burgeoning space exploration sector hinges on overcoming these technical hurdles and demonstrating reliable performance in subsequent missions. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned LUNR a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Canaccord Genuity gave LUNR a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, B. Riley reported a buy grade for LUNR, along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Canaccord Genuity reiterated a buy grade for LUNR with a hold action. Additionally, on that same day, Benchmark also provided LUNR with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intuitive Machines stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell assessment. The following signals have been identified for Intuitive Machines. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The stock of Intuitive Machines, Inc. is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During any upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $12.86 and $18.54. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, January 24, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 61.99%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 81 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has a buy signal from 126 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intuitive Machines. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform very poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, with a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.44 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 34.22%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 20.86%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intuitive Machines, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, frequently due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intuitive Machines. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. Conversely, there is no substantial support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Approach this situation with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such challenges. The combined average rating for Intuitive Machines from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of February, 2025, Altimus Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 190,218 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Altimus Stephen J. also conducted an insider sale of 60,962 shares of Class A common stock. On February 7, 2025, McGrath Peter made an insider purchase of 54,348 shares of Class A common stock. On that day, McGrath Peter also conducted an insider sale of 12,524 shares of Class A common stock. On February 7, 2025, Crane Timothy Price II purchased 67,935 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 16.255. In total, insiders purchased 15,549,948 shares and sold 23,322,868 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Intuitive Machines stock a good buy? The stock of Intuitive Machines Inc. exhibits several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Intuitive Machines Inc. will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we forecast that Intuitive Machines will open lower by nearly 0.3 dollars, beginning trading at $8.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.